Acids, bases and salts, class 10th. Dear students, today's topic is chemical properties of acids and bases. In chemical properties of acids and bases, we will study about the chemical reactions of acids and bases. Firstly, we will discuss reaction of acids and bases with metals. Here, first reaction of acids. Generally, metals react with acids to form a salt with the displacement of hydrogen gas. When hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc metal, the salt zinc chloride is formed along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Now, reaction of bases. We will understand this concept with the help of an activity. Place a few pieces of granulated zinc in a test tube. Add 2 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide solution to the test tube. After the reaction, colorless gas evolved. When we put burning matchstick on the mouth of test tube, pop sound produced and burned vigorously. The reaction that takes place can be written as sodium hydroxide react with zinc metal to form sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Some metals react with alkalis to form a salt with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Now, reaction of acids with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. We will also understand this by an activity. Take about 0.5 gram sodium carbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate in a test tube. Using a Thistle funnel, add 2 ml dilute hydrochloric acid to the test tube. After reaction, brisk effervescence evolved and carbon dioxide gas produced. When we pass this gas into lime water, it turns milky. All metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates react with acids to form the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. The chemical equations of the reactions taking place can be written as Na2CO3 plus 2HCl to form 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. NaHCO3 plus HCl to form NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Now, reaction of bases with non-metal oxide. Non-metals such as carbon and sulfur react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide respectively. Bases react with these non-metal oxides to form corresponding salts and water. Sulfur dioxide reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium sulfite and water. Now, reaction of acids with bases. We know that an acid and a base react to form a salt and water. HCl plus NaOH to form NaCl plus H2O. When a drop of alkali is added to acid, it reacts with some acid molecules to form salt and water. This is called neutralization, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel Bright Videos.